non-electrical breast pump easily and safely. This manual breast pump is a great option for new moms who want something simple, quiet, and portable. Before you start, make sure your hands and the pump parts are clean. Sit in a comfortable position and try to relax. This helps with milk flow. Place the soft flange gently over your breast, making sure it fits properly and feels comfortable. Now, slowly press the handle of the pump. You don't need to rush. Use a gentle, steady rhythm. At first, use short, light pumps to stimulate milk flow. Once the milk starts flowing, you can use slower and deeper pumps. If you feel any pain, stop and adjust the position. The milk will flow directly into the attached bottle, keeping everything clean and safe. When you're finished, carefully remove the pump and cap the bottle. After pumping, wash all parts with warm, soapy water and let them air dry. This manual breast pump is perfect for travel, emergencies, or anytime you want a quiet pumping experience. You're doing amazing, Mama. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to take care of yourself, too.